Hello students, today we are going to discuss about cellular adaptation. Cellular adaptation is a unit from pathophysiology. So today we discuss about cellular adaptation, that what is cellular adaptation and how does cellular adaptation take place. First of all, before this, you must to know about that there are three types of cells. Let's go to know that what are the types of cells. You must to know that there are three types of the cell. Number one, the labile cells. Number two, the stable cells. And the third one is permanent cells. Let's see. Labile cells are those cells which normally undergo cell division and multiplied. Labile cells are those cells which undergo normally cell division. Normally cell division and multiplied. Got it? Stable cells are those cells. Stable cells are those cells which did not go under cell division normally. They didn't go under cell division. If any injury occur, then it can go under cell division. If say injury occur, then it can go under cell division. And permanent cells are those cells which neither go in cell division normally and nor and after injury. They did not go under cell division and didn't multiply. Cell division. I hope that you have got it. So let's go on our topic, which is cell adaptation. Do you know that a cell is normally functioning? There are two types of cells. Stromal cells and the parenchymal cells. Stromal cells are the structural cells and parenchymal cells are the functional cells. So let's see. This is a cell. It is under its cells. Let's see. When any stress come on the cell, listen. When any stress come on the cell, either it will pathological or physiological. When any stress come on the cell, it may be pathological stress or physiological stress. Pathological or physiological. Then what's happened? What's happened then? Look at it. When pathological or physiological stress come on the cell, then what cell did? Then the cell go for its normal function, its normal environment. It wants its normal environment for functioning and maintaining its structure. Then what's happened here? When when the stress come on it, so it's go under cell adaptation. Then it go under cell adaptation for his survival. For the survival. Which type of survival? Functional and the structural. Functional and the structural survival. Structural survival. Let's see. This when the stress come on the cell, what's happening? That stress is pathological or physiological. Then what's happening? Then cell go for its survival, for functional and structural. So it's go for cellular adaptation through 5 types. So there are 5 types of the cellular adaptation. Number 1, look at here. Number 1, hyperplasia. What's hyperplasia? Plasia means increasement in the number. Plasia means increasement in number. What's plasia means increasement in the number. The second one is hypertrophy. Second one is hypertrophy. Look at it. Trophy means increasement in the size of the cell. Later we will discuss about it. Look at here. The third one is atrophy. And the fourth one is metaplasia. And the fifth one is dysplasia. Got it? Hyperplasia, hypertrophy, atrophy, metaplasia and dysplasia. Let's go to discuss about it in detail. Now I'll take it in detail. The first one is hypertrophy. Look at here. What's happened in hypertrophy? Hypertrophy. Trophy means increasement in the size. Increasement in the size. Increasement in the size. Look at it. What's happened and what it done. A cell is here. It is a normal cell. When the hypertrophy occurs, then the cell's size become large, because increasement of the size is occurring in hypertrophy. When the hypertrophy occurs, then the size of the cell will increase. Look at here. We can get the example. You know that many people go for gym, for exercising. They did gym. Then what's happened? Then? Their muscles become large and large. Then what's happened in their muscles? Hypertrophy occur. Then hypertrophy occur due to that the size of the cells increased. And obviously their muscles also go for increasement. Got it? Muscles. Skeletal muscles. Sorry. Skeletal muscles increase due to the gym. Due to the gym. Got it? And there are other example of the uterus, female uterus. You know that when the pregnancy is going, the uterus is going to prepare itself for the pregnancy. Then what's happened in it? The size of the uterus then go increased. Size of the uterus will increase because it is a normal uterus. When the uterus going to it or prepared it for the pregnancy, obviously the size of the uterus then increased. What's happening here? Hypertrophy is happening here. Got it? I hope that you have to got it. Look at it. The second one is hyperplasia. What was it? Hyperplasia. Plasia means increasement in the number. Trophy means increasement in the size. Plasia means increasement in the number. Increasement in the number of the cells. Look at it. What's that? Increasement in the number of the cells. This is a normal cell. When its numbering become more and more, then we can say that it is hyperplasia is occurring here. We can get the example. Look at it. Example. In the female breast, normally female breast is normal in size. When puberty occurs and the female go for pregnancy and the lactation occur, then what's happened then? Then the increasement of the what? Increasement of the breast occur. Breast increased. What's happened here? Sorry. Hyperplasia occurred there. What's happened? Hyperplasia. How it is occurred? Look at here. This is a normal breath. When hyperplasia occurred, the size of the breast increased. Due to the hyperplasia, the cells of the breast increased in number. Then obviously the size of the breast will increase. We have another example of the female uterus. Another example of uterus. You know that hypertrophy will occur in uterus, but also the hyperplasia occur in uterus. If in exams the MCQs come that which type of adaptation occur in uterus, hyperplasia, hypertrophy, atrophy are A and B. So what we said? A and B, because sorry, hyperplasia and hypertrophy both are occur in uterus. Let's see how it occur. It is a female uterus. You know that here is the endometrium of the uterus. During pregnancy, it will shut down, but after that some of them remains there. Few of them remain there. Then what they will do? They did that hyperplasia, cell division occur here. Due to the division, the numbering of the cells increased and the uterus become normal. after the cycle completion. I hope that you have got it. I think 2 to 1 examples are enough. The third one is atrophy. Look at it. Atrophy. What was an atrophy? In atrophy, both the size of the cell and the number of the cell decreased. Both size and number of the cell decrease. Look at here how it occurs. We can take the example of, you know that when these are two kidneys, sorry, if Achalasia occur here, Achalasia occur here, then what happened? The flow of blood decrease here. Flow of the blood decrease here. The function, what did here? What thing happened here? Then due to the achalasia, the function and the workload of the cells become more and more, but then they undergo adaptation. Due to the adaptation, they undergo atrophy, and when atrophy occurs, obviously then size of the kidney decreased. The size of the kidney decreased and it becomes small. It is large. It is normal kidney. It is a small kidney. I think you have got it. Fourth one is metaplasia. What is it? Metaplasia. What's happened in metaplasia? Look at here. What happened? In metaplasia, one type of the cells go under another type of the cells. What's happened? In metaplasia, one type of cells changed in other type of the cells. How does it take place here? You have to know that just there are two things happen: squamous and columnar. Squamous metaplasia and columnar metaplasia happen. Squamous metaplasia and the columnar metaplasia occur. Squamous and metaplasia and columnar metaplasia occur. Look at here that how it's happening. We can take example of the lungs. Here are two lungs. Here are two lungs. One person is smoking. There are squamous epithelium. If anybody is smoking, then what's happened due to smoking? Due to smoking, the squamous epithelium changed under which type of metaplasia? Columnar metaplasia. Squamous metaplasia changed under columnar metaplasia. Change into columnar metaplasia. Got it? You have to know it. Note the point. When it is squamous, Note the point. It is squamous. After the changing, when it go under the last one in columnar, then we can say that it is the columnar metaplasia. Means the last one will be taken about that. We have another example about it. You know that in female vagina there is cervix. You know that there is the vagina and the upper part of the uterus. Here is cervix. The upper part is the cervix is endocervix, and the lower part is ectocervix. Look at here, what's happening here? In endocervix, there is columnar epitheliums. Which type of epitheliums are here? Columnar epitheliums are here, and here are the squamous epitheliums. Got it? Pathologically, when HPV virus attacks here, HPV virus attacks on the cervix, then the squamous epithelia convert into columnar metaplasia. Got it? And physiologically, due to the uterus lay down the columnar epithelia convert into squamous epithelium. Got it? And the last one is dysplasia. The last one is dysplasia. What's happening in dysplasia? You know that in dysplasia, the shape of the cells changed. The shape, the layering, the numbers, and the entire thing of the cells are the changed. Yani the development of these cells become disturbed. These are the normal cells. You know that these are the normal cells. Look at it. It's the basal membrane. Basal membrane is normally here. When the dysplasia occurs, the size of the cells increased. Got it? The size of the cells, the number of the cells increase, and what's happening? The layer of the cells also then increased, and it become undeveloped. डिस्प्लेसिया में क्या होगा? इसकी जो सेल्स होती हैं, सेल की जो बेसल मेम्ब्रेन होती है और जो लेयर्स होती हैं, वो क्या हो जाएंगे? डिस्टर्ब हो जाएंगे. यानी जिस तरह से उनकी जो डेवलपमेंट होती है, डेवलपमेंट में चेंजिंग आ जाएगी और इनकी लेयर्स जो है वो ऊपर नीचे हो जाएंगे, यूं करके ऊपर नीचे हो जाएंगे. गॉट इट? फॉर योर रिव्यू. अच्छा, सेलुलर एडेप्टेशन हमने पढ़ा. हमने कहा कि जब सेल के ऊपर स्ट्रेस आया, सेल के ऊपर स्ट्रेस आया, चाहे वो स्ट्रेस फिजियोलॉजिकल हो चाहे वो स्ट्रेस पैथोलॉजिकल हो, देन सेल को अपनी नॉर्मल कंडीशन में आने के लिए, उसे सरवाइव करने के लिए, उसे काम करने के लिए उसे उसकी सेम इन्वायरमेंट चाहिए होगी। तो उस इन्वायरमेंट को सेल हासिल करने के लिए 5 चीजों में चला जाएगा। कौन कौन से में? हाइपरट्रोफी में नंबर 1, नंबर 2 हाइपरप्लासिया में, नंबर 3 एट्रोफी, नंबर 4 डिस्प्लासिया एंड फिफ्थ वन इज मेटाप्लासिया। तो हमने कहा कि हाइपरप्लासिया में क्या हो रहा था कि सेल की जो नंबरिंग थी उनमें इंक्रीजमेंट यानी सेल की नंबर बढ़ रहे थे, और हाइपरट्रोफी में क्या हो रहा था? सेल का साइज बढ़ रहा था। और एट्रोफी में क्या हो रहा था? बोथ साइज ऑफ द सेल्स एंड द नंबरिंग ऑफ द सेल्स वर डिक्रीज्ड, कम हो रहे थे। और मेटाप्लासिया में क्या हो रहा था कि एक किस्म का सेल जो है वो दूसरी किस्म के सेल में कन्वर्ट हो रहा था। क्या हो रहा था? कन्वर्ट हो रहा था। स्क्वेमस मेटाप्लासिया क्या हो रहा था? कॉलमनर मेटाप्लासिया में कन्वर्ट हो रहा था, और कॉलमनर मेटाप्लासिया क्या हो रहा था? स्क्वेमस मेटाप्लासिया में कन्वर्ट हो रहा था। और डिस्प्लासिया में हमने क्या पढ़ा कि उनकी जो अरेंजमेंट होती है सेल्स की बेसल मेम्ब्रेन पर, उनकी जो नंबरिंग और उनकी जो लेयर्स होते हैं, वो डेवलपमेंट उनकी जो होती है वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है, यानी उनकी डेवलपमेंट में डिस्टर्बेंस आ जाती है और वो सेल्स उस तरह से नहीं रह पाते। आई होप दैट कि लेक्चर आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, क्योंकि बिल्कुल ये टू द पॉइंट और कॉन्सेप्चुअल लेक्चर था। और फर्दर पीएसएन के हवाले से और ऐसे लेक्चर्स के लिए काइंडली चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि चैनल जल्दी से ग्रो हो सके और मजीद जितने भी वीडियोस हों हम इस चैनल पर अपलोड कर सकें। आया वो पैथोफिजियोलॉजी के सब लेक्चर्स हों, एनाटॉमी फिजियोलॉजी के लेक्चर्स हों, सर्जिकल मैनेजमेंट के हों, नर्सिंग के हवाले, बीएसएन के हवाले से जितने भी सब्जेक्ट्स हैं उन सब के हवाले से हम कोशिश करेंगे कि जितने भी लेक्चर्स हों वो बोर्ड पर आकर समझाने की कोशिश करें, क्योंकि YouTube पर ऐसा कोई शायद चैनल ना हो जो बोर्ड पर अच्छे तरीके से जितने भी सब्जेक्ट्स हों पीएसएन के हवाले से वो आकर के बोर्ड पर समझाए उस तरह से, जिस तरह से बच्चों को समझाया जाए।